In today's video, I'll show you how you can find and delete all viruses in iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go into your settings, and from here, you want to go into General. And now you want to make sure that your software update is on the latest one. There are no pending updates. In my case, I still have one and I will update that later on. But as for me, I don't experience any problems right now. And there are no signs of viruses, so it's all good if I don't update just yet until I am ready. So yeah, but if you're experiencing that you have some virus, you're suspecting that, then you should definitely update your software. And after that, just go back in here into General, go into iPhone storage, and then you would want to scan your apps right here because there might be apps right here that you don't recognize, but it is on your iPhone. So in that case, you would have to uninstall it, especially if you're not really using it, because it is highly likely that that is the virus, and the virus is simply hidden in that app and you don't know that it is running, so make sure to uninstall it. So for example, I'm just gonna go and uninstall this app right here. So I know this is not a virus, but let's say that this is the app that you found to be suspicious. So you wanna click on delete app and delete. So delete all the apps that you don't really need or you think is fake or suspicious. Next is that we just simply need to go into Safari. So basically go back here into General and then iPhone storage again. And in here, I'm now going to find Safari and I'm just going to sort this through name to find it easier. And now I am going to go for Safari, click here or tap on show all. And Safari should be somewhere right here. Here it is. So tap here in Safari. And then once you're here in Safari, you want to go into website data. And then from here is that you want to tap here on remove all website data right here so that you would now be able to clear this because it is highly likely that the virus comes from the one of the websites that you have visited here on your iPhone. So it's really recommended to delete your website data. If you use other browsers, then you might want to go into that browser and clear your data on the browser. So you can still do it here in iPhone storage, go into your browser and clear the data. And take note that it would wipe your cookies and everything and so on. So you would have to redo it again. So basically that would make your browser a clean slate. So only do that if you're fine with it. Next is that you would need to go into VPN right here. Tap here or type VPN here in the search bar. Right here. So here it is. So VPN and device management. And you want to make sure that you don't have any suspicious profiles that is going on here in VPN. If you do have one, you want to make sure to disable VPN and remove that because this could also be where it is coming from. And lastly is that you want to go here into your file manager or files. And now you would want to search for files right here that you think is suspicious and that you don't really need or you don't know that's there. For example, I'm just going to go somewhere in here and I would want to delete something. For example, this one right here, actually, my locked document. What I want to do is that I want to hold or long press on that and then tap here on delete. So that to delete that file if you find it suspicious or you don't really know that. So yeah, that is basically it on how you'd be able to find and delete all viruses on iPhone. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.